My name is Mohammed Aziz, and in today's topic we will discuss how to make electrical plan of your drawing or house plan. So I would firstly tell you about the symbols that I will use in making electrical plans of our drawing. So without further ado, I would start my electrical plans. So first of all, I would use hanging light in our window. I'm just using copy command for the placement of these wall lights in my drawing, and then copying intercom. After that I will place fan. After that I will use wall light for the better luminance of our room. I'm using mirror command for copying it in different direction, using move command for accurate placement of this light. Then again using copy command. Then I'm placing split AC because this is the bedroom, and for bedroom we will definitely use AC. Then I will rotate it and place it in its respective position. Then I will place distribution box. And after it, I will also place power plugs in distribution box. I will also place doorbell. I will also place telephone. I will select all these elements and then mirror them for the accurate positioning. I will slightly change the location of these wall lights. Thank you. Have a nice day. Hope it will be beneficial for you. And in this way, you can make electrical plan uh, in your house or in your drawing, and